Welcome to the new features in Winter 12. We're going to get right into this and log into Winter 12. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go into the editor and open up a file. I'm going to open up demo. One of the things that we did do is added a request from some of our clients about being able to print condensed to PDF. We had a way of doing it, but it was a lot of steps. Now we've shortened that down quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Squish by clicking on the Squish button. And there's our condense. I'm just previewing it. And as you can see now, we have a print to PDF. So I'm going to ask software to go ahead and put the demo on the desktop. And if you want to fill out these extra options here and want to know what they are, if you look in your tutorial, on the tutorial tab on the Winter main screen, you can get more information there. So I'm going to click on OK, and it's going to go through the file and export to PDF. And here's my PDF. I'm going to go ahead and double click to open it, and there is my condensed in PDF. So much easier than it was before. I'm going to go back into the editor now. Hitchhiking on the print to PDF feature, we've also added print to PDF for batch printing. For those of you that don't know, batch printing was the ability to print to paper the full transcript, the concordance, and a condensed transcript. So what we've done is we've added print to PDF so that that will print all in one file: the condensed, the concordance, and the transcript. You can even select in what order they will appear in the PDF. So let's say I want the condensed and the concordance and the transcript in that order like I have here. If I don't want it that way, I can change it in whatever manner I want. Let's say I don't want a transcript and all I want is the condensed and the concordance. I can choose that as well. So that's what I'm going to choose here, and then as you can see, I have my print to PDF button and my print to paper button. So here we go, print to PDF. I'm going to put that on the desktop and call that Demo 1. Again, these options if you want them, and then click on OK. And it's going to go through and create all of the features that I've requested. And I'm going to go to the desktop and pop open Demo 1. As you can see, my concordance is at the top. Sorry, my condensed is at the top, and then there's my concordance. Going back to the editor, we are going to, I'm going to go back up. I'm looking for a specific word. Alright, now we've added the ability to add italics to find and replace by using the global surround feature. So if I hit F4, that's automatically going to highlight dictionary. When I hit R, it's going to bring up my find and replace window. So now I'm going to take dictionary and I'm going to tell it I want it to be italicized. So I'm doing bracket I colon I close bracket dictionary, and I'm going to hit Alt A to replace all. And as you can see, it's now made dictionary and italicized. And if you search through the entire file, you'll find that it's done all the way through. The next feature that we've added is the ability to, on the fly, go ahead and do certain words and italicize, bold, and underline them. So if I highlight a word and I'm highlighting by double clicking and I hit Control Shift I, that will italicize that word. If I hit Control Shift B, that will bold that word. If I hit Control Shift U, that will underline that word. If I hit them again, U, B, and I, it will undo those. So it's a toggle. Another shortcut that we've added is the ability to add ly to the end of a word, ing, ed, and s. So I'm going to pick particular, and I'm going to hit Control, Shift, and L. And you see now it's added particularly. Control Shift N. Then it's going to add the ing. Now these words have to make sense. So if you just try it anywhere on something, like if I wanted to do Control Shift N and the word for also, it won't do anything. It's not a word. So you also have Control Shift D for the ed suffix and Control Shift S for the s suffix. Another feature that we've added is the ability to right click on a word, and I'm going to go ahead and right click on this word. I'm going to highlight, double click on the word to highlight it, right click, and search with Google. Now that's going to open up my browser, my default browser, whether it's Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Safari, Opera, and take you to a page where you can choose from what you want to see, the definition or some other info that you're looking for. So we've added that for Google, we've added that for Yahoo, Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Wikipedia. So you just double click and then right click on it to search with Google, and I'm double clicking to highlight the word. I'm going to exit out of the editor now, and from the Winner main screen I'm going to back up a file. We've added the ability to email your archived files directly from the Archive Wizard. You'll have to have a defaulted mail client so that this will work. Just select your mail recipient, click Finish, click on OK, and it's going to bring up the Pro Mailer. You'll say who you want to send this to, and then hit Send. Also with the Archive Wizard, for those of you that have been using Dropbox or SkyDrive or iDrive or Google Drive or any one of those, and Dropbox, again you'll have to set these up. You can check on Upload and Notify. After Archive Wizard is finished doing all of its business, then it tells you it's going to open up the browser. And in the browser, when you first log in, when you first do this, you're going to have to log in to your Dropbox, as you see here. And then it's going to ask you that Upload and Notify would like to create a folder, and you're going to click on Allow. This is where Winner is going to go in and drop your file in your Dropbox, and then open up ProMailer so that you can send your link to your client. As you can see down here is the link to whomever you want to download this from your Dropbox. And then you hit Send. Another new feature in Winner 12 is the ability to rename a job. We got lots of requests from our clients for this, so Programming was kind enough to set this up for us. So from the Winner main screen up at the top, we're going to go to the Case tab. I'm going to click on the plus sign next to my username. If you have cases here, then you will go into the case and rename those particular jobs that you don't like. This is a job. I'm going to rename actually one of my cert things. So I'm clicking on the job, right clicking, and going to rename. And then clicking on OK. And pretty much, as you can see right away, it changes anything that had that name and renames it. Another request that we got from some of our users was the ability to have more colors differentiating the different artificial intelligence things that we were doing. So again, programming did this for us, and we're going to go into preferences, and the way that I did that is I right-clicked on the background and went to preferences. In preferences, if you go to editor colors, you will see the different colors that I've set up. Previously all we had were colors for question, answer, untranslates, and conflicts. That also, whatever you set for, I believe, for untranslates, also covered drag, drop, and stacking. So now you see we've pretty much set these apart here and added some colors, and there's just a plethora of colors that you can choose from. Okay, I'm going to leave that one at crimson. So now you'll have the ability to really be able to see the different markings that are in there from real-time, your tokens, drag, drop strokes, and other artificial intelligence things like that. Thank you for watching this video, and there's more to come. See you in my next video.